Good morning! Gutom si Surila.
A tree of happiness.
On the way to where? Poca Beach. Sabi niya, Poca Beach. Cute talaga. Are you excited, Cyril? Cyril, munti ka na ba tapat, Cyril? Wala tayong dalang shades. You want to swim here?
Yeah.
Really? Good job. Oh, tingin siya agad, oh. Do you want Magnum? We're here at Poca Beach. What's that? Let me see. It's gross. Yeah. It's a replacement for your tooth. Let me see. Okay, can you put it in? Yeah. Did you actually put it inside your mouth?
No.
Okay.
Still here.
Still there.
Bye-bye, baby.
Ano sabi mo, baby? You like the clouds here?
The water.
Ah, the water. Okay. Why, it's clear? Golden hour. Hi, Cyril. Huwag ka na massage, Cyril. Nostalgia? No? You're what? What's next? Okay. Cyril! Promise mo ha, magta-try ka ng ibang food ha? Yes, yes, ma'am. So what do you think you will try? What food? Oh, galing. Anything I say? Wow, how about kare-kare?
Yes.
Wow, how about roast beef?
Yes.
Ah, you said that, ha? Ang galing, multitasking, oh. Ano yan? Playing while walking. Can you walk like you're one of the characters dun sa Dress to Impress? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Paano?
Hi, we're here at Malta Seafood Restaurant. Nalaman natin to from Goat Mel. Hi, Enzo and Mel. So, ito yung favorite dishes natin here. We have sisig, grilled tuna, yung lechong baka, at yung kanilang kare-kare. So, let's eat!
Here you go, sisig. Don't like it? Well, thanks for trying. Aftermath. Sarap. Sobrang sarap talaga rito, no? Cyril!
Nagustuhan naman niya.
Nagustuhan niya?
Nagustuhan niya.
Morning, Cyril! Good morning, guys! It's our 4th day here in Boracay and today is very windy and cloudy. Pero tuloy pa rin yung lakad natin to complete our 10,000 steps for today. See ya! Sa Ambassador Inn, oh. May pa-design sila sa beachfront nila. Tapos ayun si Kuya, manually niya ginagawa. Oh, kaya pala wala sa Bulabog Beach yung kitesurfing kahapon. Or these days, kasi dito nga yung hangin ngayon kasi habagat season, so nandito sila. Gustong i-try ni Pipo yun. Pero, syempre, hindi natin siya papayagan. Okay, first time natin marating tong area na to. We'll try to check and see if we can attempt to walk all the way there. Medyo nakakatakot sa taas ng alaw. Pero, sige. Okay, so, ito yung daan. Ayan, taas naman. Teka lang. May dala pa akong pahay. Oh my God. Medyo struggle yung daan. Oh my God. I know, medyo matalas kasi siya. So, bakit tayo? Wow, ang ganda naman dito. Look, oh. Nice. Okay, so ayan yung photo spot dito. Yung parang keyhole. So, ayan siya. So, ito yung daan papunta rito. Pero ako sa kabila ko dumaan sa may keyhole. Kasi nagpa-picture tayo kay Kuya. So, yan. Ganda yung daan. Tapos sila Kuya, magpipicture sila sa inyo. Thank you, kuya. So, try natin maglakad hanggang sa Diniwid. Pag nagawa natin to, yes, mission accomplished. So, buti na lang hindi ko kasama si Suril tsaka si Kipoy kasi medyo challenging yung daan. Pero kaya naman. Guys, ang ganda rito parang may mini beach. So yan, lakad tayo. And yung kabilang side nito is yung Padinibid Beach na. Okay, let's go to Diniwid Beach. Ouch! Pare ko. Hindi pa ako madapa. My God. Yeah! Ang ganda ng view dito. Reminds me a bit of Nandino. Okay, mukhang may daan dito sa pataas. Kasi pag doon mababasa tayo. So let's try here. Ang ganda ng view. Welcome to Diniwid Beach. Medyo mabato yung daan. Wait. Oh my gosh. Suki pa naman tayo ng dulas at tapilok. Hey guys! We made it to Diniwid Beach. First time natin maglakad from Station 1 going here. Okay naman siya. Kaya naman. Mag-ingat lang kayo kasi minsan mabato yung daan, tapos manipis yung dadaanan. Pero may hawakan naman. And minsan malakas yung alon. Pero it's a good experience. I highly recommend that you try it when you go here to Boracay. Okay, balik na tayo sa Station 1. Then let's walk all the way to Station 3. Sulutin natin yung last full day natin dito sa Boracay. Approaching Station 2, guys. Malapit na tayo. It's now 10:19 a.m. and wala pa din araw. Cloudy pa rin siya. Less wind. Ayan. Alam mong station 2 na tayo kapag marami na yung tao. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa bandang Station 3. And malapit na tayo sa dulo. Nandito na tayo sa bandang Daohana Resort. Ganda pa rin talaga. As if naman magbabago na. Pero yes, malapit na tayo sa dulo. Yan, malapit na tayo sa dulo ng Station 3. I don't know kung kita sa camera, pero yun, parang may cave doon. May private property doon, no? Look, oh. See? May mga villas sa taas. Saka tayo papunta doon. Ah, may property nga. Asia Suites. Anyway, ito yung parang cave. Tapos, may mga bato-bato rito. May daan pa ata papunta doon. Let's see. Oops. Oh gosh. Ay, wow! May parang secret, beach. Ang ganda. Tapos ito yung parang cave. Ayun si ate, nagpipicture na. Ang ganda naman dito. So, dito wala nga ganong tao. Feeling ko hindi na siya ganon napupuntahan ng mga turista. Baka tayo ang gandon. Ganda dito guys, napaka-peaceful. Sobrang ganda. Thank you so much, Lord, for the opportunity, for the strength to walk, for being here, for this life, for everything. Maraming salamat po. Yan, hanggang dyan yung meron pang patawid, pero malakas yung alon. Hindi na natin i-attempt maglakad dyan. Dito na lang tayo. Hi guys! So we've reached the end of Station 3. Nandito tayo sa Secret Beach na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong name, pero i-search ko na lang. Pero napakaganda. Super ganda dito. So kung may time kayo, I highly recommend that you walk all the way here. Madali lang naman yung lakad. Tapos medyo mabato siya pero hindi naman sobra. Meron pa hanggang sa dulo pero dahil medyo mataas yung tubig, hindi tayo pupunta doon. So windy. Huwag dyan, baby. Dito tayo sa dati. Doon. Surreal! It's our last day! Last time to swim! Uwi na kami bukas! Pag nasa labas talaga si Suri, lumalabas din yung araw, oh. See? You know why? You bring sunshine wherever you go. Go, Suri! Swimming muna kami. Bye!
Hi guys, we're here at Tigaw Bistro and for today we're having the cheeseburger, fish and chips, and their steak and fries. Let's eat! Kasi excited ako kasi nakaraan wala siya.
Ayun ba yan?
Guys, we're going home now.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, thank you for the trip, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. Hi, guys. We're about to go home now. Nagantay na lang kami ng sundo ng service. Thank you so much for joining us on this trip. Till our next Boracay vlog.